Who would like to take first number? So those who are sitting back, please come ahead. We know that you have to catch your train. Till the time you are in hall, please come ahead. Those who are doctors, brothers and sisters, please come ahead. Would like to invite Dr. Sachin Param. So now the dignitary is coming to experience. They are starts coming to share the experiences. My name is Dr. Prasad. I am from Bihar, Jahanabad. I am civil surgeon and chief medical officer. Before that, I have been in Patna Medical College. I have been HOD as a clinical pathology. So recently, 2 months ago, from HOD, I have been transferred as civil surgeon Jahanabad. I would like to share about Patna Medical College. This is going to become Asia's largest hospital. It is going to become 5,000 hospital bedded. This would be Asia's largest hospital and world's second largest hospital. It is going to be. From that college, I have came here. So I have spoken to Banarsi Bhai, and my senior brother is a member of this organization, and he shared with me that this type of program is going to happen. And please attend that. So first of all, I have contacted to brother Banarsi. So I have spoken to Dr. Sachin Parab also. I wanted to meet you. So this is my fortune that because of this conference I met everyone. One thing also I would like to share. When I was in medical college, you must have been there. So you must have studied how to live, how should be a survival. So how you should keep alive your patient. You have never heard. So when there is death, what can be done at that time? So when we are at the stage of retirement, those who are new students, new doctors are coming, newcomers are coming, what we should message them? They know about life. They how to cure patient, how to keep alive patient. So when there is a time of death, what can be done at the so on that time doctor is unaware what can be done and how to deal those patients, those who are at the stage of death. So I have seen in 3 days. This is the first time I came here. Lots of insight I have gained from this conferences. When soul died, how it transferred from one body to another. I'm very grateful to Brahma Kumaris. So I got new things. I had many questions in my mind. I got the solution from my questions. So I think I should come here again. Then you'll get things in details. So I can get the deep things about. Third thing, when we go somewhere, we usually have lunch, dinner, everything, and then we forget everything. So and then we forget that how we spent these 3 days, or wherever we go to any meeting or any conferences, how we spend it. And as we return back to our family, and our old schedule gets starts. And for that, so I want to share. So I would like to share that this is like a mountain, and there should be one river come out from this mountain. So in a concise way, he shared a poem, and that. So my aim is not to only get into details, but there should be one sun should be enlightened here. So wherever you are, not in my heart, but whether in your heart, there should be fire get extinguished in your heart, whether it's my heart or your heart. So would like to thank you, doctor.
ताकि हमारा समय बचेगा और थोड़ा शॉर्ट में सुनाएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा ताकि बाकी और लोग भी अपना अनुभव सुना सकेंगे.
So next participant. Good evening, everybody. Myself, Dr. Priyadarshini, Professor Pathology. I'm from Odisha.
So, actually, I am going through a divine experience.
I'm going through divine experience in these 4 to 5 days.
Sister was telling,
And when sister was telling,
5 4 बजे
were you able to wake up at 4 a.m.? If I'll share about my personal experience, it was almost impossible on my part to get up early before 7 a.m. But whenever I used to get up in morning before 7, I used to have a migraine or severe headache. So before coming here, so everyone said that you have to get up at 4 a.m.
10 steroidal medicines.
So I got some medication to prevent my migraine.
And I'm telling you, all the 10 tablets are there.
So all the 10 tablets of that migraine is there, but I haven't used that, and I could get up at 3:15 or 3:20. We used to take our bath and we run to this hall, and whatever time we get the time, so I do run towards the any other meditation room, and I was engaged in everything, and I don't know how I got this energy. I'm very grateful to Sister Shivani, Sister Deepa. They spoke so excellently. And another experience, I have children, and so when we were spoon feeding to them, you should do this and you should do that. So when they become older and they continue their studies,
That is, they are going away from us.
so I was feeling that they are going away from me because they're studying their own. So they are having their own choices, their own friends.
Having children, they must be knowing that our children, they are not that happy.
So but I had a feeling that they are not happy, and I have a feeling of I had a feeling of emptiness. So I used to see in medical college there are 100 students, they are studying but truly, and they were feeling emptiness. So they were also going away from us. So it was very difficult for me to read their mind, to contact them. After coming here and seeing this meditation technique, what I have learned, so this is message for me. From here, I will definitely teach our children, our students, to power of meditations, power of self-realization and consciousness, soul consciousness. Because we all are in body consciousness, so after receiving this knowledge, they will become soul conscious, and they will be more enlightened, and we come nearer to each other by being as a soul consciousness. So I would take this away with myself to practice this. Thank you. Now next participant. Respected dignitaries on stage and off stage. Myself, Dr. Manoj Kumar, SAP, from SAP Medical College from Orissa. My experience was
This is the sentence told by the Julius Caesar after winning the Egypt and married
so. BC Bhini Bhidi, it was told by Julius' sister. The meaning of this sentence, I saw, and I saw, I will, I came here, I saw, I own. I knew about little Brahma Kumaris, but I had no idea that how to connect myself to Supreme Soul. So I knew the steps. Right now, I got to know the steps to connect my soul to Supreme Soul, which we have practiced in 3 days. One more thing I have learned here. So I have been passing through a very stressful life. I had operated 3 to 4 pediatric cases, 2 to 3 cases in my private clinic. I was passing through a very stressful condition. 15 days back, I thought I should go somewhere to relax, and that day, and I got a message to go to Mount Abu for Brahma Kumari's conference, this medical wing conference. And that day I thought this was a blessing. I practiced during the practice in class, also in meditation room I practices. One thing I want to tell, we know the Newton's law, every action has equal and opposite reaction. After going through this conference, my opinion, so my thought process has changed, that every action has equal and productive reaction. So when you consider yourself as a soul and connect yourself as Supreme Soul, so I feel like I should practice this day on day basis and make our patients better. Thank you. Om Shanti. Good evening, dignitaries on dais and off dais, my friends. I am Dr. Srinivas. I came from Karnataka. I worked in district hospital. Now it is a medical college. Third pathologist was taken mic. Me and my wife, Dr. Sudha, came here. We used to listen Sister Shivani on YouTube. Not a single days we haven't heard her. In our place there is Sister Bhagya Lakshmi looking after the center. She used to invite for this conference every year. So, and this time we have taken out the time and came here. I thought that Sister Shivani is front face of this organization. So after coming to Gyan Sarovar, so I get to know that each one who is here, their ocean of knowledge, who is radiating the knowledge to us. Each speaker is so much to learn. We can, and all are so practical. So they have a practical experience. After going back here, I would like to attend 7 days course, and after that I'll take my journey forward. Obviously I've taken contacts from the dignitaries also to conduct VIHASA's program. We are about 30 doctors who are working in the district college through staff nurses. It is 400 hospital. I'm the quality manager in our hospital. So we need these kind of programs, this quality programs for. And I was always wondering, Dr. Joe Dispenson from the Western world, teach this kind of science. So I was wondering that what is the source of these people to get this knowledge. Now I get the source. Today, all of us are completely convinced that all the facts in fever, which uh, um, Dr. Satish Gupta, who shown us 26 years of figures, and we are convinced the meditative lifestyle. So this is the conference which starts from what started from 4 a.m. So in many session we have seen many people walk in conference, etc. This is the first concert where I saw everyone is sitting here in the hall and no one is walking out. So disciplined. So everything is so experiential. How to connect to the source, creator of all of us. So we can take away from this experience. So thank you so much. Good evening. I'm Dr. Sujata Pradhan from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Professor in OG, Chief IVF Consultant. Since last 1 year, my husband and me associated with this knowledge. He is an engineer and he came in IT Wing conference.
Both of us went in different, like nobody told the other one that motivated the other one.
So, but surprisingly, we have not shared anything with each other. Last year also, he came for IT conference, and he said that there is a 50th Mind Body Medicine conference is going in August. I used to go to nearby center. I requested there. So I submitted my CV and to come here.
Till now, I was in a state of confusion. I was searching for something, like this my personal experience. Many times I felt helpless.
So I had a feeling I was in search for something. I feel helpless or restless.
Everything is going out of my hand.
So I was feeling that something was out of control from my hand. I couldn't nicely manage my home.
Since last August,
Since last August,
98% of the days I am waking at 4.
almost days I used to wake up at waking at 4 a.m.
And since last 6 months, I am successfully motivating my staffs.
So since last 6 months, I have motivated my staff also.
I motivate each of them to sit down for meditation before.
So I motivates them to do meditation at least for 5 minutes, etc.
Then we start our work.
Then we start our work.
I came purposefully. I was very, very, very interested to come
I was interested to come here, and that's why I came.
direction.
I had a feeling I wanted a definite direction to balanced life, to manage my department along with my home, my family, to manage my patient.
They have fertility issues,
So my patient had fertility issues.
indefinite as life and death.
So
Many times they are helpless also. And
many times I feel that my patients helpless,
counsel them.
and I couldn't understand how to manage my patients. After 3 days completed this conference, I get to know that how can I manage the things, my patients, how can console them when they are in amid of the situation, their conditions. Thank you. Om Shanti.
इस संस्था के वरिष्ठ पदाधिकारी डॉक्टर्स सहयोगी
So, honorary doctors who are on dais, and all the doctors who came from the every corners of the state. I am Dr. Vijay Kumar from Bihar, Jharkhand, government job. Later on, I established my hospital. I am from Sahibganj, Jharkhand. My son is urologist.
पिछले वर्ष
Last year,
मेरा रजिस्ट्रेशन हो चुका था
my registration had done. I was about to come, but unfortunately, 15 days ago,
फ्रैक्चर
I had a fracture, and
मन महसूस कर रहा है
and I was feeling helpless, and so I had reservation, everything arrangements was done, but I couldn't came here.
मुझे लगा कि बाबा को इस बार
I thought that Baba don't want to call me here, but this time, so I had my reservation done. I'm lucky enough to attend this program, this conference. I have learnt lots of, I knew lots of things, and I felt enlightenment in my mind. We are connected with medical profession. We are so fortunate.
बाकी प्रोफेशन से जुड़े हुए लोगों के
Those who are connected with their profession,
जवाबदेही रहती है
they have responsibility for their family, their relatives, but in our doctor's life, so we have our self responsibility for my family, for our relatives. Along with that, we are responsible for others, those who are in sorrow, who are in grief, those who are patients. So to cure them, this is our responsibility.
हमें इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बाद
With this conference, how to
मेंटली
make ourselves mentally, not only physically,
बट बिसाइड्स
besides physically, how to make ourselves mentally fit, mentally healthy, so that our patients also gets healthy. We should speak very sweetly to them. We should encourage them, motivate them.
आज परिवार में बच्चों के साथ
Today in family with children, there are a lot of stress occurring. Some children, young children, small children, those who are watching the war of Ukraine, etc., and those who are addicted to mobile, how can we make them move them towards the positivity, as Sister Shivani has said. Sister Deepa has also shared, Dr. Parab sir. So those who are the dignitaries who are sitting in front of us, I felt, so I have been to the exhibition. After seeing their guides' knowledge, and I thought, so I have been connected to ISKCON temple. So he explained us about the exhibition, and I thought that. So I thought now I experience that I can't say that someone is small or big, but everyone, those who are connected with this organization, they are very wise, they are full of wisdom, and so you have given us the knowledge of soul and supreme soul, and how to give happiness to our inner side, and how can we give happiness to our patients. And I promised that I will give them a healing touch, and again I would come here, and those who are my friends doctors, I would bring them. So I cannot get any other opportunity for stress relieving. uh, Thank you so much. Respected dais dignitaries and of dais doctors. So I'm not a doctor. I came. I'm an engineer. I came from Hyderabad. I'm working subdivision engineer in electricity department, Telangana, with the grace of Baba and by Brahma Kumari in this ISHWARIYA Vishwavidyalaya, Montabo. And by the because of my wife, Dr. Shakuntala, because we have so I have got a chance that spouses a lot. That's what luckily I get the registration is a and Sri Lata sister. I belong to that center. She also motivated me to come to attend this conference. I'm very happy since 3 days. We attended all the classes. So last minute class. Um, we enjoyed this class, which previous class. I had an experience that I received some power. I have attended on the basis of my professional job. I have attended many technical seminars, programs, conferences, and this is the first time I'm very happy after attending this conference. And I'd request, so please offer this such type of programs to engineers also. These programs are necessary for engineers also, not only for doctors. So I'm unaware about engineers program, but recently because I get connected, so I feel the need of these classes for engineers also. And recently last month Sister Shivani came to Hyderabad Shanti Sarovar by the initiation of Sister Srilata. I went there and really impressed with that knowledge a lot. What whatever she told, what she said, that forget the past, and so we have impressed that knowledge a lot. So I have attended 20th celebration in Shanti with Hyderabad also, and I'm very grateful. It was a very nice program. So my wife spouse is also gynecologist professor. So since 3 months we are connected to this Brahma Kumaris. So thank you very much. This is, I feel like this is everyone's need. This knowledge is for everyone's needs. I'm Avdesh Kumar Pandey. I'm professor. I'm working for radiation oncologist. This concept was there in my mind. Your mind is also working for it. I had no clarity about my mind. So through this program, I got the deep insight for mind, that how this my mind is working. This is really very impressive insight conference and program. I cannot share my experience in words, but yes, yeah, I can say that I can change myself. So I have lot of lacking, so I get angry easily. So if I see on road that someone is going on road, they're driving on a wrong direction, but now I get to know there are a lot of things I can't say, but this program is conference is very beautiful. Know that. Thank you so much. I'm from Chandigarh. Om Shanti. I'm doctor. So I'm working in community medicine from Odisha. Before coming to this, I was not aware what is to be done. I opted for coming to opted from for Mount Abu. Truly speaking, in community medicine, we have the definition of health, that health is a state of complete physical, social, and spiritual well-being, not merely only just disease. I was not aware the spiritual health. After coming here, I came to know that the details about spiritual health, and we go to clinics, we go to lifestyle modification, go for lifestyle diet modification, exercise. But how to go into details of meditation, what are the steps, I was unaware about it after going from this place. So taking away message is very clear, which I am definitely going to share to my undergraduate students in my department regarding the importance of Brahma Muhurt and how to conduct that meditation. Number two, I want to bring it very clear that so this foundation can be highlighted to NMC regarding the importance of meditation. 2 week foundation course. So we have changed the foundation course also in curriculum. So they made it compulsory for yoga classes. I'm going to write a letter for NMC for the introduction of this meditation classes also. This I would be suggestion to, I would be request to write a letter to NMC to all medical college to insert a curriculum for a meditation course. This is just humble suggestion for to insert a course, meditation course for everyone. Thank you. So I'm doctor from Madurai, Tamil Nadu. The sister in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, she said to attend this conference. From she was saying to conduct to attend this program since last year, but I couldn't get time. I'm working in a private sector. I have a very busy life schedule. I used to take lunch quite late, lunch at 5:30, dinner at 11 or after that. I had very unhealthy lifestyle. I got it. I didn't get any chance to change that. This was a very good conference. Uh, the one thing which I like the most, caregiver should take care of their himself first. So this was very relevant that caregiver should take care themselves first. I used to be a very short tempered person. I used to shout at people, um, and now I get to know how it affects me and my family, those who are surrounding me. And obviously I thought to change that with this meditation. I I couldn't get connected to Supreme Soul, but I'll try my best to apply this concept, the Brahma Kumaris concept, to get connected with the Supreme Soul and to try to imbibe this lifestyle in my daily routine. So I've seen there are so wonderful sisters and brothers has given a very new insight to me, and they have shared the experience life after that, which I liked a lot. Thank you so much. Om Shanti, everyone on the dais and of the dais. I'm from Odisha, Dr. Sasmita Das. I'm Ayurveda doctor and MT in medicine. I did MA in yoga also. I have very old connection with this Brahma Kumaris. My husband is also connected. He is company secretary. He never came here. Second time I visited here. So, so because of him, I came here. So he said that okay, you can go. In 2013, my child was in 5th standard, and I used to watch the Shivan Sisters program. So I used to behave with that child a lot. So my child was saying that whenever you watch the Sister Shivani, you behave very well with me. So you should watch that episode daily basis. So so what I'm seeing, these people who are on the dice, they have aged people, and nowadays we can see that those people who are having the age of 60 or 70, they got bedridden. But you people at this age, you have so much enthusiasm because you are working for God. So I've seen Sister Shivani and Dr. Sachin Parab. So, so my husband said that these people are going to take your class. So I have heard the class of Dr. Mohit Gupta, which I was seeing on YouTube, and nowadays I met to everyone. Yeah, so I had a thought that I want to get clicked a picture with them, and I got get a clicked pictures with them. So this is also. So one more thing I would like to ask. Now the teenage, those who are who go to outside for study, those who get into addiction in engineering college. So I request to all of you, to Brahma Kumaris dignitaries, that those who are educated, young age students or children, please do something for those younger children. I like all the classes which have been conducted by all doctors, Dr. Swapan, Dr. Cardiologist also. I liked this program a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now the last experience we are going to listen. So Shanti, I'm from Apollo Hospital. I'm cardiac anesthetist and DM specialist. So I am a powerful soul. This is what I'm going to learn. And here I have learned this spirituality is part of my life. We have been the science student. So we get to know about the scientific background of spirituality, as Dr. Mohit Gupta has shared, Dr. Swapan, neurologist, has shared. So everything we get to know, Dr. Girish also. So we are very grateful for this. Spirituality is already established. Science is something like. So we used to know that this non-vegetarian is the science said that there is a protein, but science is changing process, whereas his spirituality is already established, non-changeable. So we get to know where science ends, the spirituality starts. So after coming to this event, I came to know about so we were a single doctor, now we get the title of double doctor. And I get to know about the transformation of ourselves, and I get to know about silence, affirmation, visualization, and so I'm going to so morning habit ritual of successful people, which I came to know about from this conference. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak. So thank you everyone. We have heard very beautiful experiences from everyone. Now I would like to request Dr. Sachin Parab to share his inspirations. Um, I'm very happy after seeing everyone. So, but Orissa government. So Orissa government has given fare to 53 doctors. There are many doctors coming from different states, but Orissa government has given 53 doctors to attend this program. So I would like to thank you to that Orissa government, and those who came from Orissa government, I would like to thank you to them. I would like to listen from them what you have experienced here, what you are going to present in front of government, how you are going to change that.
मेरे ख्याल से उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट से आए हुए डॉक्टर ने सुना है ना, कितने लोगों ने सुना है? बिकॉज 4-5 लोगों
4-5 people has shared their experience from Orissa government.
ने सुना है, तीन लोगों ने ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा।
So there are 3 doctors from Orissa government. They have shared their experience, nicely experience.
पर्सनली जाके हर एक से मिलता था और बात
There are a lot of experiences. Personally, I used to go and meet every doctor. I met 2 Gujarat doctor, Maharashtra doctor, Jharkhand doctors. I tried to meet every doctors and ask for their feedback. So as I met 2 civil surgeon, we have a senior cancer surgeon who were the student of Dr. Ashok Mehta. So, and there is a magic that they have their own big hospital. They are very senior position, and many doctors are they are residing with a 10 bedded room. So I felt he's so humble that he's staying in 10 bedded room. He adjusted, he molded himself with this campus also. So my inspiration is when you go from here this place, because here you got a charged atmosphere. When you go to your place to sustain yourself, that is a big challenge. So many doctors have said I'm going to conduct I'm going to attend 7 days course. So many have said that we want to get it conducted Vihasa programs in our. So the AIMS direct who came here. So I want to do research. 2 or 3 things you can take away with yourself when you go to your place and get in connection with Brahma Kumaris center. When you are in teaching institute, we have many projects. As Dr. Satish Gupta had said, CAT regression lifestyle. Dr. Banarsi and Dr. Ashok Mehta de-addiction projects they are conducting. They are supporting us. This is also de-addiction project. you can start at your place. A psychiatric doctor from Cuttack. So he is from psychiatric doctor and Cuttack. So he would like to start the addiction project, but for this you have to be in the contact of your local connection Brahma Kumari center, as our children are going for studies, higher studies. So for this you have to get in connection with your local Brahma Kumari center. So as sir said, Bihasa, this is very neutral program. Sometimes people get allergic to soul and supreme soul, and they said that they are speaking for religion. But Vihasa is such a program that it is started by Dadi Janki in London, because in outside abroad they don't accept this knowledge as it is. This is Vihasa is um, transformation of habits programs. So this is such program which medical council gives credit to this Vihasa. So whatever suggestion we have received in NMC. So in NMC first year MBBS program, their induction program, there are many medical colleges, RBK's Dr. Reena Tomar, so Dr. Kiran Bala, so we have been to many medical college, and at the time of induction we used to take value session. So Dr. Bhagishri Patil is having 32 institute in Pune. So she wanted to get started meditation room, and we wants to get done at the addiction program, Vihasa or MBM conference also we would like to conduct. So you can think about if you need any support from us. So you can be in contact with Banarsi Bhai on the headquarter. We have a team. Our team can reach there. You can get the support from us. Thank you so much. So now I request Dr. Ashok Mehta ji to share his inspiration. Om Shanti. So one sister said that to share with NMC, to share this proposal of this spiritual studies. So Maharashtra government is there, where our brother was there who was in contact with that Maharashtra Medical Council, and so whatever medical universities were there, so they had conducting a vice chancellor's meeting, and he called us me regarding this. So I have given presentation regarding Vihasa. In Maharashtra University also we have given a presentation regarding this Vihasa program, spirituality. So what happens in India, when I have shared this is the Brahma Kumaris program, so some people are connected with their own organizations. So when they understand that this is a Brahma Kumaris program, so sometimes they sidetrack it. So when they experience it, and you met everyone since 4 a.m. till 8 p.m., you have experience. So what is your experience which is unique? When we go to meet vice chancellor etc., they don't have time to understand all this knowledge. So they just see a presentation is okay. So what is the impact of this, they don't know. So I think I understand. So we should take out the essence of these videos, and so NMC we should present to NMCs. So I understand those who are professors, administrators, directors. So we have to take out the list, and we should take the opinions from all of you. These are beautiful opinions. If your opinions are in writing, so if we go to anyone, then we can present your opinion national to national commission to put into the course also. So because from every organizations, everyone comes to them to put their religious things to add on, but I would say to you should put your request on your letterhead in writing and share with us. We can submit to them to add to their curriculum with curriculum studies, etc. So in this way, if you can, so whatever you have experienced, these are the very unique experiences. And when I came here first time, I came here as a doctor. So I had operated Dadiji, and then I came here. Then I liked it a lot. This knowledge I liked a lot. So we tell the 5 qualities of Brahma Kumaris. So wherever you go, whether you go to village or city or Asia or abroad, so we used to give 5 characteristics. First, Brahma Kumari's dressings are simplicity. They are very easy. They are very simple in everything. They say yes. They will never get into argument. So easiness, simplicity is their humbleness. They are very humble. These Brahma Kumaris are having lots of humility inbuilt because of Baba's knowledge, and they become so humble. They will not get into fight or any conflict. So so this is humbleness is very big thing. And they have these Brahma Kumaris usually have sweetness. Whether any brother or sister, this is inbuilt from this sweetness is inbuilt. You can see from their face, from their behavior. And another things, whenever you see Brahma Kumaris people, they are in very cheerful mood, very happy. The sister who made us to dance, she told us the details of happiness. So they dance in happiness, their mind is in happiness mood. And finally, introvertedness. These Brahma Kumaris are very introverted. They don't speak about themselves much to you. They might not explain it to you clearly, openly, but so because this is the time of world transformation, and we you must have heard this knowledge. I don't know whether you have heard about now. This cycle, life, the world cycle lifespan is 5,000 years, and there would be a world transformation, and that would be a great transformation. This is the right time to take away the message. This is not human work. This is not a work of any one of us or any sister. Shivani sister is a visible face of Brahma Kumarish. She is seen by across the world, television, etc. And therefore I feel this we must remember. We should remember that Shivani sister is also an instrument. She is also an instrument, but the knowledge is knowledge of Shiv Baba. Sometimes we forget that, but the origin is Shiv Baba. This is Shiv Baba's knowledge, godly knowledge. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Dr. Ashok Mehta. I would like to request respected Banasi Bhaiji. He is having a lot of feelings, action plans for all of you. He is going to share with you. Shanti. I'm interested in listening what you have done in 3 days, but so whoever are seniors, medical college counselors, those who have finalized the curriculum. So So I would say that you should bring those seniors, those who are at senior positions in medical institutions. We should bring them here. Second thing, Baba's great mantra is self transformation leads to world transformation. Whoever came here, if we change ourselves, by changing ourselves, if we go to our workplace or in our profession, so people should say that they were different when they went to Brahma Kumaris, and now they are very different person. So people should come to us and they ask how you have changed so much. So we should bring some such change in our life, so that people can understand from our lifestyle, from our life only. So many people met to me and they said that when you go back, what should be done? So three things I have given advice. If you liked it so much, so when you go to your hospital, family or a clinic, so you should have a meditation room. When you do meditation, then your staff will do meditate. So when your when your surrounding would get changed, your behavior of your patients also get changed. Second thing, when you are in hospital or your home, we have Brahma Kumari's ashram. When we conduct this conference in other resort, so it should not affect you this knowledge so much as you are getting affected by this knowledge. So when you go to our Brahma Kumari's center, you should go for half an hour at least. Whether so give 23 hours for others, but give half an hour for yourself. So you should go for half an hour for yourself to Brahma Kumari's center. Third thing, in our hospital, many has said that we would like to open a meditation room. So this is also my humble suggestion. Whatever you are receiving, you are gaining, it should be constant, it should remain constant. For this, you have to move forward for 3 steps. If you say to your family, your children, do that, do this, so when you have change in your life, they would say that father or mother, you were changed right now, so it will change your life, and they automatically try to learn from you. So to get the membership of medical wing, see, so I make the member of medical wing those who are regular students of Brahma Kumaris. And it's not a big thing. So those who are members of medical wing, they become host. So he is renowned cancer surgeon. All of do get engaged in service. When you become Baba's child, you'll become a member automatically. So for becoming taking life membership of Brahma Kumaris, you have to give 2100 rupees for membership. But for that, you have to get connected with Brahma Kumaris on regular basis. Thank you so much. So now we have Dr. Pratap Medaji. We would like to request to share his inspirations. Om Shanti. Whatever we have heard, whatever your enthusiasm which we have seen, we would say make it firm, make it constant whenever you return back to your families, your home, because that routine is different. Maybe we cannot get up 4 a.m., but still if we cannot get up at 4 a.m., at least get up at 4:30. We should remember Baba and then do little study, take some literature from this place. because when we follow something on daily basis, that becomes our nature, so that our nature gets changed. Many brothers sisters has said that we get angry, we cannot leave anger in one day, but when we practice it on daily basis, to bring sweetness, humility in our life, so automatically it comes. So we have to be focused towards positive values. So whatever you have heard, don't keep it only till listening. So we must know about the soul. So we must have heard in Gita also that soul is eternal, imperishable, nothing, it cannot burnt, it cannot be destroyed. But by being a soul conscious, and comes in practicality, comes into the actions, so that is actually to practice. So when I come in practical behavior, that I am a soul, when I speak, when I come into action, by being a soul conscious stage, this is a thing. So we can do meditation in morning, evening. So but the important thing is meditative way of lifestyle, how to bring that meditation into our lifestyle, that whenever we speak to others, that I, the soul, is talking to another soul. So it's not easy, but by practicing it, so by doing practice, you can do anything. If you do it on daily basis, so because if you get anger, that time you are not able to do meditation, so that time how you can change. But if you have a practice from earliest, if you're practicing since beginning, then your way of response will be good. So I would say, before going to there, write it in your diary, that what I'm going to do for a next week in your diary. So because if you plan it earlier, then it will be easy to make it practical, because there is a very in our daily routine, there are so busy sedentary lifestyle. You must have heard about celibacy for food also. I would say for food, just practice for some days. First, check that how it is impacting my life. For food also, make it your own self, offer it to God, and then first you experiment and then experience it. So whatever experience you would have, that it will make your strength. So practice makes a man perfect. So you should practice, just write it down. If something happen, you should not shaken away, because you may have a failure, but we should learn from those failures. So when we listen about to remember God, so we have heard that our rishis munis had done tapasya or penance for 1,000 years. So we are getting ready-made nourishment. We should practice. You should think that I have to give little time, make little effort, give our little attention towards this. Maybe you people have to face criticism that you have become saint or anything. And second thing, we have to check where is our leakage, where is our energy gets wasted. We have to block our leakages, wherever my time is getting wasted, wherever my time is getting wasted, thoughts are getting wasted, just put a block there, not to waste that. And think that what is the thing which is helping me in my meditation, which is not helping, just avoid that, whether it is cinema, whether it is club, etc. You have to think that what is the thing which makes me to progress me further, which makes us to move forward. And but this is little difficult, but when you practice it, you will feel happiness, stability and bliss in your life, because this is the changing world. We need a stability in our lifestyle. When you practice this, so your rules and regulation conducts will get firm, and you will get stability in your life. So there are many ways and means to get connected with us. You can ask to anyone that Dr. Sachin is Dr. Ashok Mehta is available. You can ask any questions. Do not hesitate, because when we have to move forward on the spiritual path, so we should have clarity. So when there would be a clarity, then only we can stabilize our speed. Om Shanti. So thank you so much. So I would now Ashok Mehta, I would like to share one thing. Next week on 8th of September, we are going to start a very interesting program for Brahma Kumari. So there are 30,000 dedicated sisters. They have dedicated life to Brahma Kumaris, to God. So all of them are unmarried. And they are at high risk of breast cancer. So we are starting a program to screening 30,000 sisters once in a year. So we are going to examine 50 sisters per day. So we are going to use method of simple clinical examination. We are going to have mammography, sonomammography. There is a new technology, is called thermolytics. It is based on AI. With camera, we measure temperature of both breast, and data is uploaded in the cloud, and there the million of ways they come up with the conclusion that whether this patient requires any further investigation for in terms of cancer or changing in temperature or anything. So we have an also app which is called a Dear Mama. It tells you how to examine self examination for the breast cancer. So you can watch that app, and you can download it in your mobile. Dear Mama, its name is Dear Mama, and it educates you to self examination for breast and how to detect, how to do it, so that detect breast cancer. And therefore we have taken this initiative. So we have probably interesting data of 30,000 sisters. So we are going to follow it up for every alternate year for approx 10 or 15 years. Thank you very much. So thank you Dr. Ashok Mehta sir.
अभी हमारे पास और 10 मिनट है, तो कई भाई बहनें हैं जिनको सुनाना
We have 10 minutes. Those who wanted to share the experience, we would like to call them. They can come and share the experience. Yeah, second thing, to as Dr. Pratap Mitra said, if you have any clarity, any question in your mind, you'll get the answer.
अभी भी आप क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, respected dignitaries. I'm a gynecologist. I'm working in Department of Health as a team leader for last 10 years. I was a technical person. So I'm working. I would like to thank state government. They have selected this center to reduce the stress of health department personnel, and he sends us here 53 persons who are district headquarter hospitals from the medical colleges. There are medical doctors, programmatic persons also. We have different faculties, health system of our state. We are here. My state constitute population 4.5 crore. So so there are all types of patients comes to our state. That's why Odisha government taught how to reduce people and leverage, because reducing number of population is also leads to quality certification, and they allow us 1 month extra incentive, so they are allowed to go. So this government have assigned us facility to go to any center for to reduce stress. So there are 10 members who came in this program, and I was thinking that those who are working with me day and night for last 13 years, how can we go together? So we decided to come at this place, and I'm surprised to see the level of inspiration and participation and involvement we have received. And I'm surprised that you people, those who are on the ties, and they have they are aged person, but still they have lot of enthusiasm, and you are celebrating 50th mind body medicine, and we are working in our hospitals under the guidance of honorable prime minister, particularly for public in Ayushman Arogya Mandir. We have 12 kinds of services that includes geriatric to mental health, starting from to the mental health also. So we are covering all these subjects, everything, and these people are attracted to different way spirituality. So as professor start, my fellow person said that to include this in NMC, they're so enthusiastic to empower their people around themselves within 3 days. None of them interested to come at 4 a.m, but they are coming. So they used to wake up at 7 a.m. So I was looking that my friends who came with me, they started waking up 4 a.m. They were so interested, and have definitely these kind of programs, inspirations from Brahma Kumaris, which we have learnt in last 3 days. Not only this spirituality. So you have shared this knowledge so interestingly, with technical knowledge, with medical science. You have presented this knowledge, so which impressed my mind a lot. So all my doctor friend will be agree that they'll pick up, they must be thinking to spread this knowledge throughout the whole country. On that occasion, I would like to thank all the members of Brahma Kumaris, this Vishwavidyalaya, with your inspiration, with your valuable advice, with your talk. We from last 3 days, it will help me and my community a lot. Thank you so much to Brahma Kumaris. Om Shanti. Good evening to all. I'm Dr. Smriti. I'm Vice Control Officer. I have seen many patients dying every day. So I have never felt good when I see. So my husband came here 2 months ago. He inspired me to come here. So how to balance, for how we can imbibe balance in our life, because I'm a working mother, I have 2 children, so it is very difficult to manage all the things. He came here in capacity building conference, so he told me to come this conference. Before coming to this conference, I knew only Sister Shivans, and I used to watch her only. So whenever I get stressed out, I used to see her. If something, any conflict arises, so I watch her episodes, and my conflicts also gets reduced. When I came here, so I have heard many brilliant speakers, Dr. Parab, Dr. Mohit Gupta. They have influenced me, they have impressed me a lot, and definitely try to change myself in my own life. I'll try to bring change in my own life, and I would now, I think that I would like to nurture my kids, because this meditative lifestyle is very good for them. First of all, to become a very good human being. So I'm very much grateful to Brahma Kumaris team that they have organized such a fantastic program for us doctors. So so as much I have learned in my curriculum, my profession, more than that I have learned from this conference. Thank you everyone. So Shant. So I'm non-medical person. So healthy people heal themselves. So now I have learned since 3 days, and this meditation empower everyone. Om Shanti. Good evening to everyone, dignitaries and delegates. I'm Dr. Sumant from Odisha. I'm retired orthopedic surgeon. First time I'm attending this conference. I had many exposure to visit the Brahma Kumaris in different places, but that was not touching to my heart. That soul and supreme soul never touched my heart, this cycle, etc. In 21st December, I have been through many orthopedic conferences, etc. So I have been to Goa also, where Sister Shivani came, and she has given her virtual lecture, and she clarified many doubts of orthopedic surgeons, and that's first time I impressed with her speech. That time I had desired to come to Mount Abu, so I heard it from many person, if I get chance to come to Mount Abu, I definitely come and see what is the real thing. I came here to see the real thing, and since last 3 days conference I have learned a lot. Now the essence of this meditation, meditation creates changes in medical science, physiological changes. It brings changes in every aspects of everything. So everyone is getting benefit through the meditation, and thus touched my heart. In present scenario, everyone is stressed, whether practitioner or anyone administration, everyone is having stress. I think this Brahma Kumaris is lectures, this program will help different part of the life, and it help to empower everyone, and it will help to different degrees, different disciplines. And especially if you see first year PG student or medical students, so they have lot of competition, they are in lot of stress to get the government seats, etc. But after entering in hectic life of doctor and medical teaching, they and they do a lot of struggle for get entrance in PG sector to enter into curriculum of medical science. So we should give them training so that they can relieve their stress. Also the spirituality training should be given to them, so it definitely improve their lifestyle and their life also. So nowadays every teaching curriculum are so stressful, but I have learnt a lot from this, from Dr. Mohit Gupta, Dr. Sachin Parab, and I'm really boundless to see and try to start practicing this spirituality in my life. Thankful to my guide Anita Didi, who brought us to this campus so that we can bring changes in our life. Thank you.
This is the last one.
Om Shanti. I am Dr. Bhagya Lakshmi Rao, coming from Bangalore. So I was saying like
सर हम दोनों इसलिए आ गए कि टाइम इज लेस, सो हम लोग ने सोचा कि दोनों एक साथ बता देंगे वी वांट टू एक्सप्रेस आवर ग्रेटिट्यूड.
so I'm Dr. Bhagya Lakshmi. We both have came. We would like to share our gratitude to all of you. Being a doctor, I have attended many conferences. We used to attend so many conferences, but as this is conference, I had never experienced such a nice conference, knowledgeful experience. Just one day I saw he he used to stay in Raipur. He is motivation speaker. He used to go for to Raipur centers. I'm an engineer. She is a doctor. So we have spoken to Sister Shivani.
की राजधानी की ट्रेन है वो कृपया ट्रांसपोर्ट डिपार्टमेंट में पहुंचे. राजधानी से जाने वाले
So those who are going via Rajdhani, please go to transport department. So, we have been in marriage. We have completed golden jubilee. So when she get angry, she is having health issues. So I have never been angry, and so I have never been into any health issues. Yesterday also Dr. Saab has explained many had a question regarding the soul. So I give lectures on mathematics also. In that Bhaskaracharya has measured the distance from sun to earth, but NASA has not able to calculate it, that figure which was calculated by Bhaskaracharya, which that can be possible. So those who doubt on soul and supreme soul, they should understand about it. So everyone has praised, that's very good. So the food which we have received, that was very tasty from our housemaid cooked the food. So we have learned even after we get fail, but smiling, that is the life. Very thanks. There is two announcement. tomorrow's Amrit Vela meditation would be here at 4 a.m. Especially brother Suraj would come here and conduct meditation for all of you. So